Hi, it's Sophie here, and today's video I'm at GATO Tower, the second biggest Japanese project in Cambodia. And then today I'm going to walk you through their showroom just completed, and we go find out what's their price and available lately. So if you're wondering where GATO gonna be, let me show you in this map. So when it comes to investment, a location is everyone talking about BKK1. It's one of the most prime location in Cambodia. Right here, it will be GATO Towers, and it's surrounded by this commercial road. For example, it's very access to independent monument, Basat Lane, where all the expats and tourists come to Cambodia for a nightlife. The biggest Aeon Mall, all in the walking distance. Everything around BKK1 is a business commercial. It's 24 hours busy. And also, this along here is a CBD road. A lot of office, Grade A building is all here. So for GATO to buy the land in BKK1 right here where it's more peaceful than other side of BKK1, it make the price for them is quite high. So that's why for them to build a 67 building in these areas, the price maybe looks slightly a bit higher than average. So now let's go to have a look at the showroom. So GATO going to be a mixed use, a residential mix with a hotel, 4-star hotel, and from 9 to 28 floor is a hotel, and then from 28 up to 67 is going to be a residential. So if you think that you're okay with a mixed use and you like a restaurant, you like a full service, then you can choose a mixed project like this. But some people, they might feel like they don't want to meet new people every day, so they prefer to have a full residential. GATO have separate, so they have the lift directly for hotel and they have the lift directly for residence. So you don't worry about being mixed use. This I'm standing here right now is a 93 square meter 2-bedroom, price starting from around $250,000. Right here is an extra bedroom. So currently this one is very popular, and majority of the buyer is Japanese buyer. Mix actually is an international buyer. So the price currently, this 2-bedroom 93 square meters starting from $250,000. They also got a really nice 1-bedroom starting from $140,000. Let's check it out. So this is the 1-bedroom 47 square meter net area, and currently the developer starting from $144,000, 28 floor, quite high. And currently the developer offering also fully furnished. So what is fully furnished? When it comes to buy property in Cambodia, a lot of people confused. When they walk in, they see the showroom like this, and they expect that the room is going to be look like this. However, the layout gonna be the same, but when it comes to handover, it's a basic handover. So there's no this design, there's no cabinet. All you have is light fully equipped. This chandelier is adding on top. So what it comes with is the cabinet up and down, the space for putting the TV, and the door will be wooden like this color. The rest is extra. You have to buy a furniture package, and hiring interior design, we can help you with that, don't worry. And it can be decorated for you exactly like this. So when you buy property in Cambodia, don't think that it's a scam, because people show in the showroom very different when it comes to handover. So they doing this to let people know when they buy at GATO Tower, this is what you can design, and it's gonna be look like this. But basic handover is different. So we're now in the 3-bedroom. This is a cool design, but people may think why GATO is quite expensive. And today, I think I find out the reason why GATO is a little bit higher price than other, because it's very rare for developer to sell as net area. There's only a few projects that sell net, because most of the developers sell by gross area. So you can add 25% on top of what you see here. So this is a living space of around 111 square meter for the 3-bedroom. So that's why it brings their price to be more higher than other, but also their facility, their common area is more different. Management fee here is 1.5 per square meter, and it comes with sinking fund as well. So you have to know that. If you feel comfortable with purchase, then yes, feel free to contact us. I will be happy to explain to you on what I thought about GATO Tower full breakdown, and also we can study it together. What is your rental return if you are purchasing GATO Tower? Price in this project is around $360,000 to $370,000 for this 3-bedroom. So, but you can contact me and we'll be happy to send you a full breakdown and gonna be honest, share with you what is your rental return would look like.